Is it time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore the SOXL ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 18th of October, 2024, our system has classified SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.73. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will keep monitoring this assessment to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are anticipated. The present 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 10% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -40.31% to positive 3.40%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of 36.12% over the next year, with potential returns between 9.28% and 186.49%. This suggests a price range of $38.54 to $101.04 after a year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, SOXL ETF downgraded to sell candidate. The SOXL ETF price increased by 0.17% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, rising from $35.21 to $35.27. During that day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 4.25%, with a low of $34.85 and a high of $36.33. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, but remains down by 3.84% over this period. Trading volume decreased by 40 million shares on the last day, with a total of 56 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.97 billion. It's important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest was $14.01. Currently, the price is 49.67%, or $34.81, below the 52-week high, and 90.68%, or $342.97, below the all-time high from November 26, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange Traded Fund, known as SOXL, is currently gaining attention ahead of earnings reports from technology giants Intel and AMD. Over the past decade, SOXL has demonstrated remarkable growth of over 2,085%, reflecting the soaring demand for semiconductor technology. In just the last 5 years, the ETF has surged by approximately 186%, showcasing its resilience in the market. Recent trends reveal a bullish trajectory for the semiconductor sector, with the S&P 500 Semiconductor Index posting an 80% increase this year. The sector is buoyed by heightened demand, driven by advancements in cloud computing and artificial intelligence, with companies like NVIDIA and TSMC leading the charge. As both consumer and enterprise demand for chips continues to rise, SOXL presents a robust option for investors seeking leveraged exposure to this growth. Short-term price movements for SOXL could be influenced by the impending earnings reports and a favorable environment of potential rate cuts, which have led hedge funds to aggressively accumulate technology stocks. Long-term, as semiconductor sales continue to climb, the ETF's value could appreciate significantly. While SOXL offers the promise of amplified returns, its inherent volatility highlights the importance of risk management strategies for investors looking to tap into this high-growth sector. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. The SOXL ETF is currently exhibiting a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, it simultaneously holds a buy signal from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Should the ETF continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average, which is nearing 36.68 cents. On the downside, support will be found from the long-term average at around 34.31 cents. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will initiate a sell signal. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading session, even as prices increased. This discrepancy between volume and price could serve as an early warning sign, indicating the need for close monitoring of the ETF. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged that may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, October 14, 2024, and so far, the ETF has dropped by 13.60%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 131 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 18 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 63 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 53 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds its support at $34.96, a level that may present a buying opportunity. When this support is tested, an upward reaction is anticipated. This exchange-traded fund, or ETF, typically exhibits average daily movements, and with robust trading volume, its risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $1.48, which represents a change of 4.25%. In the past week, the ETF experienced an average daily volatility of 8.46%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $37.51. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a strategic point for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $34.96. If this support level holds, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. We currently hold a negative assessment for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? Currently, SOXL shows several indicators that suggest it is not a favorable investment. It is situated within a broad and declining trend, leading us to anticipate continued weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative view of this ETF. Owing to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation for this ETF from a hold or accumulate to a sell. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of October, we anticipate that SOXL will open lower by 213 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $35.48. We want to remind you that trading entails a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.